It's a rear lower control arm for a 928. I'm attempting to and have been successfully removing the old bushings out of this thing. I'm replacing 3 bushings in total on each one. I'm not sure if I'm going to change this bearing or this bushing out yet. I'm not sure. I might just take it apart and make sure it's clean. If it's cracked inside, I will change that. But we'll go to that one after I get these out. But I'm trying to rig up a camera, the phone here, to capture the quick and easy way to do this. I spent about 3 hours yesterday rigging this up with various heights and various fulcrums to push out the old bushings out of the first control arm. And you can see some of the old bushing cores there on the bottom, on the floor there. So the second one I just did earlier today, I was a bit quicker because I did combination of the press and drilling out the bushings with some hole saws. But I started off with the 3/4 inch, or excuse me, 1 3/8 inch hole saw, drilled out just around the outside of the sleeve. And that worked, but I had to do a secondary set of machining efforts to get the remainder of the bushing out, which was cutting it on the inside and then sectioning it and then pounding it out with a drift. I just did one just now using a larger saw, hole saw, cut into it. It's these are very tightly packed, very dense. So you're gonna have to use a very good drill. This is a Power Detect. This is a very high quality DeWalt drill, and the 8 amp hour battery, because they don't work as well on very heavy loads if you don't have the 8 amp hour in. In other words, the drill knows when you have an 8 amp hour battery, so it gives full power when needed and required. So I'm going to try to trying to find the camera angle to do this right and show this, me drilling it. So I'll be back in a sec trying to show that, or I don't know, because I need 2 hands to do this. Let me try to rig something up. Okay, let's see if that works. Hopefully it does. I think it'll hold. All right, let's try this again. It's really hot. there's the whole bearing, or the bearing, not the bearing, the bushing. Completely out of it. Yep. So, I can honestly say now that this is probably the best way to do this, instead of trying to press them out. You know, the combination of introducing a lot of heat into this thing. Shit. Putting a lot of heat into this, and trying to do this without hurting the tools or equipment or anything. So always something to do. Okay, and there we go. And that thing's out. Much quicker way to do it this way than doing it with the press.